Hello everyone, this is Rajiv Sannaki, Department of Civil Engineering, Jain Polytechnic, Belgavi. So in today's lecture, we will be completing the last unit, that is pre-stressed concrete. So here we will be covering all the lectures. So the content in these lectures are pre-stressed concrete, concept of pre-stressing, pre-tensioning and post-tensioning, mention the system of pre-stresses. So pre-stressed concrete. So what is pre-stressed concrete? So concrete in which reinforcing steel bars are stretched and anchored to compress it and thus increase the resistance to stress is known as pre-stressed concrete. So here in this figure you can see the wires or the reinforcing steel bars are stretched and anchored to compress it. Concept of pre-stressing. So it involves application of forces tending to bend and compress a concrete element in order to counteract bending which results from loading. The force applied in the tensioning or stretching of the steel component, which usually in the form of high tensile strands, wires or bars. So here in this image you can see there is a beam where the load is applied. So here the first process is the tendons are held in position, the load is applied, the concrete is laid, the stretching of the tendons is done, pre-tensioning. In this method the tendons are stretched prior to casting of concrete. This pre-stress is later transferred to concrete due to bonding between concrete and tendons. So in this image you can see at the end two abutments are provided which are fixed with the jack. Red one is the steel tendon. Applying tension to tendons after casting the concrete, cutting the tendon, transferring of pre-stress. Realistic image of how pre-stressing is done, means pre-tensioning. Post-tensioning, in this process it is also one of the process of pre-stressing. Here the stretching or the tension is applied after casting. In case of pre-stressing the tension was applied before casting, but here in this case tension is applied after casting. Pre-stressing means simply the steel is stressed. So a concrete is cast, a beam is cast where a duct is left. So the duct is inserted with a tendon and provided with a hydraulic jack. So tensioning of tendons is carried out, anchoring the tendon at the stretching end. Thank you.